What is advance tax? Advance tax can sound like a chore, but it's actually a powerful tool to manage your money. Think of it as paying rent on your income. Just like you pay rent throughout the year, advance tax lets you pay your taxes in installments. This system prevents a huge tax bill at the end of the year. Essentially, you estimate your income for the year. This includes everything: salary, business profits, rental income, even capital gains. Based on your income bracket, you calculate and pay your taxes in advance. Plus, if your income fluctuates, you can adjust your advance tax payments throughout the year. So, let's dive deeper into who needs to pay advance tax and why it's beneficial. Consult our tax experts at File Your Income Tax Return to guide you better in filing your taxes. Contact details mentioned in the description. Section 2. Who needs to pay advance tax? Advance tax isn't for everyone. It primarily applies to individuals whose income exceeds a certain limit. This includes salaried professionals, freelancers, business owners, and anyone with substantial income from sources other than salary. If you're a salaried individual, your employer usually deducts TDS, tax deducted at source, from your salary. But what if you have other sources of income? Rental income, capital gains from investments, or income from freelancing? That's where advance tax comes in. If your total tax liability, after accounting for TDS, exceeds ROS 10,000, you need to pay advance tax. Knowing whether you fall under the advance tax bracket is crucial. In the next section, we'll explore the benefits of paying taxes in advance and why it's a smart financial move. Section 3. Why pay taxes in advance? Paying taxes might not sound exciting, but trust me, paying advance tax has some serious perks. First and foremost, it saves you from the last-minute tax scramble. By paying in installments, you break down a large payment into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes budgeting easier and prevents a strain on your finances at the end of the year. Paying advance tax also helps you avoid penalties and interest. Missing the tax deadline can lead to hefty fines and even legal complications. By staying ahead of the game and paying taxes on time, you avoid these unnecessary expenses. It's a simple way to save money and keep your finances in check. Advance tax helps you fulfill this responsibility responsibly and strategically. Missing tax deadlines is a slippery slope you want to avoid. The consequences can range from minor inconveniences to significant financial burdens. Firstly, you'll be slapped with interest on the unpaid tax amount. This interest accrues daily, so the longer you delay, the more you end up paying. Additionally, you might face penalties for non-compliance. These penalties can be a percentage of the unpaid tax and can quickly add up. Repeatedly missing tax deadlines can attract unwanted attention from tax authorities. It can lead to audits and scrutiny of your financial records, causing unnecessary stress and hassle. The bottom line is, missing tax deadlines is not worth the risk. Now that you understand the importance of advance tax, let's talk deadlines. The financial year in India runs from April 1st to March 31st. Advance tax payments are divided into 4 installments throughout the year, each with its own deadline. June 15th, 15% of the total advance tax liability is due. September 15th, 45% of the total advance tax liability is due, including the first installment. December 15th, 75% of the total advance tax liability is due, including the first 2 installments. March 15th, 100% of the total advance tax liability is due, including all previous installments. Missing any of these deadlines can result in penalties and interest charges. Always double-check the official income tax website for the most up-to-date information. Advance tax might seem complex at first glance, but it's a manageable aspect of your financial planning. Think of it as a way to stay ahead of the game, avoid stress, and keep your finances in order. By understanding your obligations and making timely payments, you simplify your financial life and avoid unnecessary expenses. Take the time to understand your tax obligations, explore available resources, and consult a tax advisor if needed. Being proactive with your taxes is a sign of financial maturity and responsibility. Take control, stay informed, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being financially responsible. Managing your money effectively is a crucial step towards achieving your financial goals and living a richer life.